Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Bose Home Speaker 500. Now this is a smart speaker with Amazon Alex built into it. Now when I say Alex, y'all know what I'm talking about. I don't want to trigger everybody's systems. Now you can pick this up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $400. Now it's available in two colors, black or silver. Alright, so let's check this one out. Shout out to White Shoes, she got the day off. Bose Home Speaker 500, $400. Let's go through the features real quick. You got wall-to-wall stereo sound from a single home speaker. Alex built in where available. Stream music through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth device. And it comes with a personalized app. Alright, so let me grab a little unboxing knife and we'll pop this open. We got the Jack Sparrow on deck. Here we go. Rah. Okay. Now, if you haven't bought anything from Bose, you already know what to expect. High quality. All right, here's your speaker. Now, this box is mad big, and the speaker's kind of small. Let's see what else you get in here. Okay. So this looks like the usual books and shit. Plug them, file them to the side. And this is going to be your power cable. Now, let's see what kind of cord this is. Typical Bose end. One end to the wall, one end to the speaker. Now for the speaker itself. Fresh out of the box, has a nice weight to it, has that cold aluminum feel to it. This is going to be your display on the front, full color display, I like that. On the top, let's see, you got your power, you got your mic, play and pause, volume up and down, auxiliary, Bluetooth, and your 6 preset stations. On the back, here's your auxiliary in. Here's your service, micro USB, and this is where you're going to plug it in. All right, so let me plug this in. I'll download the app, and we'll breeze through the OS. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I got this all paired up, so now let's test it out. Shout out to White Shoes back in the building. First thing you want to do is download the Bose Music app. Now, once you open this up, pair it to your speaker, this is going to give you full control. Now, if you want, you can set this up in your bedroom, your basement, living room, attic, kitchen, wherever you want. Now, I'm going to use this in the bedroom, so I got it set to bedroom. It also shows you the last song you was playing, and you can add some more speakers. Let's take it over to the settings. Now, here's your music streaming services. Amazon comes preloaded, but if you want, you can add some more. You got iHeartRadio, Pandora, Spotify, Deezer, and Sirius XM. Now, on the side note, there's no Google Play Music, but you can stream that using Bluetooth. All right, so let's go through some of the features. Now, here's your 6 preset buttons. Now, from the app, you can set preset stations. Take it over to Just For You. Now, here's my recently played. I was rocking some Mobb Deep. Got that on deck. Here's all my Amazon music. So you got my playlist, recommended, new music. Here's TuneIn. Got that set up too. Now, you can add Bluetooth devices. Now, if you notice, I got 2 set up. Here's my iPhone. Got my Mate RS. And you can add some more. Here's your auxiliary, plug it right into the back, rock out like that. And when you're playing music, it's going to give you that album art. You can skip and reverse, raise or lower the volume directly from the app. Now, I was playing Bike Life from YouTube, so there's no album art, but let me show you what that looks like. Now, this is the part of the video where I want y'all to pause all of your Amazon devices, because I'm going to have to say that key phrase a couple of times. Real quick, on the top, these are all touch capacitive buttons. That's your power. There's your mic pause on and off. So this way, if you're watching TV, when you get that Amazon commercial, it's not going to keep activating the speaker. Just mute that. We'll unmute it. Here we go, y'all. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 7:42 p.m.
Alexa, what's the weather for tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Jamaica, there will be lots of clouds and thunderstorms, with a high of 78 degrees and a low of 58 degrees.
Now, you can also raise or lower the volume. Alexa, play some Mobb Deep.
Shuffling your songs by Mobb Deep on Amazon Music.
Alexa, pause. Now, one of the dopest things about this home speaker is this display. Full color display. You see the album art? That's what separates this from the Apple HomePod and the Google Home Max and the JBL. All of those home speakers are dope, but this one has the actual display. Now the Amazon Echo Show, that one is pretty good too, but it doesn't sound nothing like this one. Get a look at that. That's sick. All right, so I'm going to take it over to Bluetooth. We'll play some music. Let me get to my regular test songs. All right, here we go. Alexa, max volume. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving this a major go. I am definitely feeling this speaker. Now, how would I rate this against some of my other smart speakers? I would put this at number 3. Number 1, Google Home Max. That's the big boy. There's nothing louder and nothing has more bass. Number 2, Apple HomePod. Now, this and the HomePod sound pretty similar, but the HomePod is a little bit louder and has more of a clean, rich bass. Number 3, the Bose Home Speaker 500. This is actually the best looking one that I have. Number 4 would be the Sonos. Number 5, the JBL. Number 6, the Amazon Echo Show. Then everything else. So, is this speaker worth $400? And the answer is yes. It looks sick, very modern. The build quality is A1, all aluminum. The sound quality is amazing, nice highs and mids, has a deep punchy bass, crystal clear. You got Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You got your app for full control. You got Amazon Alexa built right into it. And the best part about this speaker, that display. That display is so sick. You can't see it here, but when you dim the lights, it looks amazing. You got all your album art. I'm definitely feeling that. Anyway, this is the Bose Home Speaker 500. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.